Hello, this is our next installment in Prioritize Organizing series. Today we're going to talk about a 5-minute organizing task that will keep you more organized. Can you guess? It's shoes. If you have shoes laying all over your house, it's a good idea to take a moment and choose a home where the shoes are going to live. I'm in my garage today because this is where we chose to keep our outdoor shoes. We installed these shelves so they have a home. What you can do is gather all your shoes and bring them to the area you want them to live in. Pair them up and then sort them by style. So you'll have tennis shoes and maybe flip-flops and fancier shoes all together in a group. Then it will make it easier for you to find the shoes you're looking for. Then keeping this space maintained will only take 5 minutes. Again, if your shoes become clutter in the house, just gather them up and bring them to the home where you want them to live. Sort and pair them up and organize them. It really will only take a 5-minute task to stay more organized with your shoes.